We're just gonna close the door.
Yes,
It's gonna go down.
Hello,
everybody!
Yes, welcome to another episode of The Curious Tune. Today we're gonna do our grocery kasi may pasok na. So kailangan nang bumili ng baon at saka ng food.
Makahinga.
Grabe ka. So let's go! Grocery time! Wala na kami pagkain, kailangan ng grocery. Wait lang! Wait lang! There you go! Ay, ulitin natin yung post. Milk Magic!
Look at you. You're growing up so fast. If only I can freeze time. Stay a little boy forever.
Anong feeling mo nasa kanto ng gatas yung mukha mo?
I don't know. I still have to.
Does it make an impact to you in school?
People just say hi. I saw your face in the mirror. Yeah.
Do you feel like a celebrity or
No,
something?
not actually. No.
If somebody knows you outside, what do you feel like?
I feel like, oh, okay, thank you.
That's good.
I just feel happy.
Yeah, kasi for this episode, we want to discuss about, being a celebrity and what is normal for us. I grew up in the business and I started working when I was 9 and para sa akin, I've always struggled with it kaya nahihirapan talaga ako and I always felt like I don't want to be a celebrity anymore kasi wala akong nagagawa masyadong normal na bagay. So, yun, and parang I feel like, sige, like gusto mag-artist. So, ang akin lang, ang goal ko, after high school, kasi ayoko na ma-experience nga na di siya mabuhay ng normal. Asa na siya? Nawawala na siya. Ito siya! Eli, my son. Pero yun nga, I mean, being serious. No, but being serious about it. Parang nung una, I was very reluctant. Parang ayoko. Kasi ayoko nga ma-experience yung na-experience ko ng bata ko. But, all the times are different now. So, I want to give him a chance also. Ayoko naman maghinder sa mga pangarap niya. Basta ang akin lang,
After high school, no more college.
ano normal college? Hindi. No, ang thinking ko naman, if he wants to go being a celebrity after high school, at least tapos siya nun. Because you can go to college anytime you want. Right? And the good thing about it is that I have a really good sense of humor and, I'm really good with people. So, nag-audition siya ngayon eh. So, yung mga talent manager dyan, alam nyo na. Pero, now is not the right time. I feel like, come here. I want to talk to you about it. Parang feeling ko, I don't want you to miss out on being normal. I'm like, yeah, I know that you're normal. I mean, also, he doesn't have social media right now. I just felt like he's 10. So I feel like na parang it's too soon for that. I don't want him to feel yung pressure ng kailangan mo na ganito, kailangan mo ipakita to. Kasi hindi naman eh, likot niya, no? Eli, what do you feel? Bakit wala kang social media? Is it okay with you? Do you understand?
Yeah, sometimes you just want Twitter.
You want Twitter?
Yeah.
No, not yet.
No, I
Just
just want to see like the tweets of people. That's it. I'm not like gonna tweet it.
Yeah, but that's like stalking.
Like Fortnite tweets.
I know that. I mean, naiintindihan ko naman. Sometimes I have a problem with it. Ayoko pa siyang pagganin. Because everybody in his school, they have like Instagram, they have Twitter,
No,
they have
most
Twitter,
of them have Facebook.
and then Facebook. Pero para sa akin, now is not the time. Gusto ko na pagka naiintindihan niya na sure niya na hindi niya kailangan i-publicize lahat. Then that's the time. Yun. So I hope it makes sense. So kung ano yung mga comments niyo about it, you can ask me anything actually. My life is not an open book, as you know, because I'm a very, very private person. Yeah, yun lang. I come from a showbiz family. My father is very famous, my aunt is very famous, and I started working at a young age, so I have a very different lifestyle. Parang nakakita ko na example na gusto ko mas private yung buhay ko kasi nakita ko na ganun yung lifestyle ng tita ko, na parang hindi siya makapag-grocery, hindi siya makapag-shopping. Ang nangyari sa akin with the right group of people, with the right group of friends, okay, mas naiintindihan ko siya. Nakakaya. Life? Nawawala na siya.
Yeah.
Sabi ko na nasa chips ka eh.
Yeah. No, I'm gonna get drinks. Only have chocolate now.
Well, he's pretty normal, so I'm kind of happy. So, Eli, kung mag-artista ka, ano ang gusto mo role? What is your dream role?
Superhero.
Superhero. At sino ang idol mo?
Any superhero.
No, that's not true. Sino yung pinaka-idol mo? Lodi daw niya ako, guys.
Lodi.
Idol niya, me. So, ano nga, sino si Barry Allen, di
No,
ba?
not really. No,
So, hindi na niya gusto si Flash.
not really.
So, sino na? Ano nang gusto mo?
Anyone.
Pero pagka iniisip mo mag-artista ka, kasi ang galing niya umiyak eh. Pag pinapagalitan ko siya, nagpapatuloy siya ng luha ng walang sound. As in, na-master niya na, bata pa lang siya.
Ay,
So,
running.
anong mga gusto mong gawin pag artista ka na?
Like ano lang. Yeah. Hero. Mga help.
Gusto mo mag-drama? Ano gusto mong genre?
A whole storyline of hero stuff.
Puro hero. Gusto
Yeah,
mo talaga may superhero.
Not really.
Ano ba talaga?
Anything, okay?
So, anything na
Anything
sa'yo.
that's interesting. You love it.
Okay? At least that's a good start. Wala kang blank canvas. Bakit mo gusto mo artist?
Maybe because, well, being an artist means like you can become what you want, and you can become what you imagine since you were a kid or you were young. And I wish that I will become a great actor, like my mom.
I'm so sure magiging magaling kang artista kasi pag pinapagalitan kita, ang galing mo umiyak ng peke-pekean. So yun, I think with Eli, ang gusto ko is to really encourage him. Nung una talaga, reluctant ako dun sa gusto yung mag-artista. But alam kong gusto niya. And then, inamin din niya sa akin. Pero, I just feel like na parang if I say no, bawal mong gawin yan, or dapat doktor ka, dapat parang I don't think magiging masaya siya. I think ang point ko is he really has to enjoy what he's doing because that's where he will excel. So, yun yung gusto ko na parang susuportahan ko siya. So, kahit mahirap yung buhay na gusto niya, I will be there. You know, I'll be there to guide him. Hindi naman stranger yung lifestyle na yun sa akin. So, I hope that I will be able to really guide him because, you know, it's a difficult world. But then, kung yan talaga yung gusto niya, it's okay. I support this. You know, I would also like to encourage everybody to think about it. I think it's really good na yung mga bata will be in a situation where feeling ko pag nag-enjoy kasi sila, mas magiging masaya sila and then mag-excel sila. Alam mo yun, parang mapupush sila into something na parang, oh my God, my mom is supportive. Hindi siya yung parang masasakal or anything. Well, it's always different for every parent or every family. But yun, sa akin, I support him because I think it will really be good for him. Kami naman ni Eli, we talk about everything. So, yun, sana makontinue namin yun hanggang paglaki niya. Baka mamaya ayaw na niya ako kausapin. Baka mamaya pag 13 ka na, no mom, close the door. I don't wanna talk to you anymore. No. Gusto kong iwasan yun. Gusto ko na hanggang paglaki niya, we'll be best friends na he will be able to talk to me because hindi siya naihinder sa growth niya. You know, communication is very, very important. Yeah? What do you think? Etong si Inay.
Si Say 75.
Ang galing! Pwede pa yun.
Dadagdagan na lang.
Etong si Jigs, lagi yan ang nagsiserve sa akin. Tsaka si Jello! Pakita ka dito! Rosy Chicks yan si Jello. Ito sikat sa Instagram story. So yun. So technically, yun nga, thank you so much for watching this episode. I just wanted to discuss yung effect ng fame, you know, ng being known to the public, and I want Eli to be very, you know, to be very aware of it and to have a normal life. Kasi it's kind of difficult. You know, people would always think na ang dami lang perks and all that, ang sarap maging artista. But in reality, we also are just people. You know, so we want to do just normal things. And yeah, so gusto ko paglaki ng Eli, you know. It's gonna be a challenge, but life is good.
Anyways guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more content. Click the notification bell to be notified for every video we post every day. Every day. And then, hopefully we get 200 likes for this video.
200 likes now, I want 2 million likes.
Same.
Like it. So we'll see you again for our next episode, okay? Bye!
If this video gets 2 million likes, we're gonna do this again.
We are going to do this again anyway, guys. 2 likes lang yan.
Bye!